loves, it's Sam. Today we're going to be doing a Jewlybox unboxing. I have been getting it for the past few months and I have been really giving it a go, testing it out, seeing how I like the pieces, and I'm so happy with the pieces that I've been getting. So if you're not familiar with Jewlybox, it is a monthly subscription service to jewelry. So every month you get either, there's different memberships. You can do one where you get 3 pieces of jewelry, or you can get another one where it's just earrings only. Okay, so I'm just looking it up here. So the Jewlybox Classic is what I have. You get 3 pieces a month and that's $19.99. I do have a coupon code which is gonna save you 10% off, and that is SAM. And I'll leave that in the description box. And then you can also do the Jewlybox Earring Club. Now that's $9.99 and you get a pair of earrings every single month. So if you want to spend a little bit less, then you can always do that. And they are available at myjewlybox.com, but again, I will leave the links down below. So if you're not familiar, they come in a little bag like this that says Jewlybox, which is very pretty. And then they also come with a little card, and it will say the month. So this one is for May. And it says, May is centered around giving you those staple pieces you're sure to need in your jewelry wardrobe this summer. We've been studying up on all the trends and have curated you the ultimate collection this month at a fraction of what you'd pay retail. Get excited for what has been said to be our best collection yet. When I got the little card, I was so excited because I haven't actually opened this yet, but I have had a peek as to what's coming in. So it looks like there's going to be a pair of hoops, a bracelet, and a necklace. You can put your preferences of what kind of color you want as far as gold, rose gold, or no, I think it's either gold or silver, or it could be a rose gold, silver, or gold. It's been a while since I filled out the form, so I can't remember, but I do know that you can state whether you want gold or silver, so I put gold. They all come in these little individual wrapped baggies, which I find to be very just like convenient, because I think that, you know, they can get tangled so well. And then these are also great to keep, so don't throw these little baggies away, because when you're going traveling, they're great to have so that you can keep your jewelry from getting tangled. So I love that. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Oh my god, I'm so excited about this. Okay, retails between $30 and $39.99, and it's just this gorgeous, it almost looks like a coin kind of medallion, but it's a short necklace, which I love, but it does have one of those little adjustable clasps where you can make it longer or shorter. But I like when they give you the option, because I love short necklaces personally. Where am I here? Oh, I'm getting caught on the little cactus that I'm already wearing. Look how beautiful that is, especially on like bronzed tan skin. Oh my gosh, that is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so that is a piece I will wear all the time. So number 1, thumbs up. Number 2 is some little gold hoops. It says that these are the Tina hoops. Complete your look and go from day to night effortlessly with these everyday hoops. Similar styles retail for $20 to $24.99. So this is what those look like. So they're kind of like a twisted hoop, if you know what I mean. Okay, look how cute those are. Aren't those pretty? I just love them. They're actually really lightweight. The other ones that I was wearing were quite heavy. So yeah, I love these. I feel like you could wear these all day and they wouldn't hurt. And then last but not least, we have a little bracelet. Now this one says, it is an adjustable and comfortable. This dainty piece is a showstopper. Hold her under the light to really see her sparkle. Comparable pieces retail between $49 and $59.99. So here is what this one looks like. So you can see it is super sparkly. It has little diamantes or cubic zirconia. Really beautiful. I love that, because it is like when I'm holding it in the sun over here, it's so sparkly, very dainty. And then it does have that little kind of pull string, which is kind of cool. Even though it is an actual metal, it's not a clasp. You can just kind of pull it on and off, which I think is actually quite convenient. Okay, so then that is what this one looks like on. Isn't that so pretty? It's really easy to put on. It looks gorgeous. It looks really expensive on your wrist. And then it's kind of fun how it does have the little tassel, and then because it is an adjustable length, it doesn't matter if you have small wrists or bigger wrists, you can customize it to you. So I love that. I think that's absolutely beautiful. So actually I have to say this is probably my favorite box that I've gotten. I love all of them. Like, they've all been amazing, but I think this gold medallion piece or coin necklace, whatever you want to call it, I love. I also absolutely love these earrings because I wear hoops all the time, and these are so lightweight. I feel like I can wear them for a very long time without them bothering my ears. And then this is a bracelet that I would actually wear. I'm not a huge bracelet person just because I am always on the computer, and when they're like clangety on the computer, it's annoying. But I do feel like this one it's quite dainty and delicate, where I could kind of adjust it and put it up further up my arm, and then I can still still be pecking at my computer without it being like annoying. For $19.99, you really can't beat it, because even if you go to like Target and pick up jewelry, like I've bought some stuff from H&M or Wild Fable or Forever 21, and they're still like usually around $8 to $9. Quality is a lot nicer. You can tell like they're actually nice pieces and they're not just like super cheap. I've only had one necklace change. You know how it's not that they turn green, but they kind of have a little tiny bit of like, I wear a lot of oils, I wear a lot of perfumes, I wear makeup, I wear self-tanners, so I have a ton of stuff on my skin. And so I had one necklace out of all of the different months that I've had, and I have had numerous necklaces. Only one of them had kind of like, it just looks a bit dingy, if you know what I mean, like right around here where I spray my perfume, because I always spray it and then forget. But I've never had any problem with anything else, and that was just that one time. So I think it was because I started wearing like a body oil, because it's been warmer, and I just noticed it started to turn a little bit, but the actual piece like that sits down here hasn't turned at all. So, and it hasn't turned green, it just looks a little bit darker, if you know what I mean, and it's gold. But other than that, I've had no problems. The earrings are really great on my ear, because I do have very sensitive ears, and I tend to get like, they get like really sore and like crusty. I know that sounds gross, but the earrings from them I've never had a problem with. They always like, I can wear them and they don't make my ears hurt or anything like that, so I love that. I love the little bag as well. I always keep these little bags too, because then you can put each of your individual pieces that you're going to be traveling with into the little baggies it comes in, so you can save them every single month and then save the baggies, and then you can have great little storage for your jewelry for when you're traveling. I keep all of mine because they're just so handy. There you guys go. I hope you guys enjoy and find that helpful. If you have signed up for Jewlybox in the past, please let everyone know in the comments if you've liked it. Have you been a fan? I mean, I can say it's great all I want, but sometimes people like to see it in the comments to see from like other people who aren't actually like filming the video. So if you have had experience with them in the past, please let everyone know how you guys have liked it. I've been a really big fan. I've been very happy with everything that I've gotten, and I think their style is, everything that I've gotten has been very dainty and delicate pieces, which I love. I don't like anything too bold, and I love just when it's like a simple, elegant, like you can wear it every single day, no matter what you're wearing, it will go. So that's why I really like Jewlybox, is because they are very delicate pieces. I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. I will leave that link as well as that coupon code down in the description box, so you guys can go and sign up and take advantage of that coupon code and save yourself 10% off. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I love you guys. I hope you all have a wonderful week, and I'll see you guys very soon. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and subscribe if you're new. Bye.